Do you forget words when speaking English? Don't worry, it's normal. Many people have this problem, but I have good news for you. Today, I'll help you with 10 easy tips to fix it. These tips will make speaking easier and more fun. Tip 1. Speak every day, even to yourself. Speaking is one of the most powerful ways to remember words. Even if you are alone, speak out loud to yourself or speak in front of a mirror about your day, your plans, or what you see around you. The more you use words, the easier they will come to your mind. For example, I woke up, ate breakfast, and went for a walk. Talk about what you see. The sky is blue. The flowers are beautiful. Tip 2. Use easy words if you forget. It is normal to forget a word while speaking, but don't stop the conversation. Instead, use simple words. For example, if you forget delicious, you can say very tasty. Or if you forget angry, just say not happy. Tip 3. Think in English, don't think in your own language. This makes speaking slower and makes it easier to forget words. Instead, try to think in English. For example, if you see a car in the street, say that's a nice car. If you see the sun, say the sun is bright. Describe 5 things you see around you in English without translating. Just think and speak in English. Do this every day, and your brain will find words faster. Tip 4. Learn words and sentences. Don't just memorize single words, learn them in sentences. For example, don't just learn the word tired. Learn it in a sentence. I am tired after work. When you remember full sentences, speaking becomes easier. Tip 5. Don't panic if you forget. If you forget a word while speaking, don't stop or worry. Try to explain it in another way. For example, forgot the word frustrated? Instead, you can say, I feel very upset because things are not going well. This keeps the conversation going and helps you remember the word next time. Tip 6. Use flashcards. Flashcards are simple and very effective. On one side, write the word. On the other side, write the meaning or a sentence. For example, front word, excited, in the back, make a sentence with it. I am excited to meet my friend. Look at your flashcards every day for a few minutes. This little habit makes a big difference. Tip 7. Watch and listen in English. Watch movies with subtitles. Listen to podcasts, songs, or YouTube videos. When you hear a word many times, your brain will remember it better. This helps you recall words faster and more naturally. Tip 8. Write more. Writing helps your memory a lot. Keep a notebook or use your phone to write new words. Write the word, then write 1 or 2 sentences using it. For example, word, happy sentence. I feel happy when I listen to music. Write 10 to 20 new words every day. Review them every morning or evening. This small habit is very powerful. Tip 9. Read simple English books or stories. Reading helps you see words in context. Start with simple books or short stories. For example, children's books, online articles, or short stories are perfect. When you see the word again and again, it becomes easier to remember. Even 10 minutes of reading every day helps a lot. Tip 10. Practice with friends. Speaking with friends makes learning fun and natural. Choose a friend who is also learning English, or even a native speaker if possible. Agree to speak only in English for a few minutes every day. For example, talk about what you ate for lunch. Share your plans for the weekend. Describe something funny that happened to you. The more you practice with real people, the more confident you will become. Remember, friends, forgetting words is normal. The most important things are practice, patience, and consistency. Use these 10 tips every day, and soon words will come to you easily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel.